Ratus, welcome to my channel French with Deepika. Today we are going to start with new lesson. So let's get started. This is lesson 3, La Journée de Madame Lavigne. La Journée means the day of, this is Mrs. married or Madame Lavigne. Okay, or we can say Mrs. Lavigne's day. Okay, so what is MME? It is the abbreviation for Mrs. when someone is married. Okay, so we call it Mrs. or a Madame. Got it? So the day of Madame Lavigne. Got it? Okay, so this is the text. Let's start with the reading first. La mère de Manuel, Madame Véronique Lavigne, est médecin. Sa journée commence à 6 heures du matin. Elle se lève, elle se lave et elle s'habille. D'abord, elle prépare le petit déjeuner pour les enfants. Tartines, confiture, jus de fruits, céréales, lait. Monsieur et Madame Lavigne prennent des tartines et du café. L'école des enfants est près de la maison. Ils vont à pied. L'hôpital de Madame Lavigne est assez loin. Elle prend sa voiture. À midi, les enfants déjeunent à la cantine de l'école. Ils rentrent à la maison avant Madame Lavigne. Ensuite, ils font leurs devoirs et ils jouent un peu. Monsieur et Madame Lavigne rentrent vers 19 heures. Ok. Madame Lavigne a beaucoup de travail. Elle prépare le dîner et fait le ménage. Son mari fait la vaisselle. Après le dîner, la famille regarde la télé. Elle se couche à 21 heures. Okay? Got it? So this is the text. Now let's understand its meaning word by word. Okay. So now let's start. La mère de Manuel. La mère, we all know it's the mother. The mother of Manuel. Okay, no, so now they are talking about Manuel's mother. Her name is Madame Véronique Lavigne. Okay, so MME stands for, it is the abbreviation for Mrs. Okay, that means she is married. So in French it is MME. Okay, for Miss, when someone is not married, we use MLLE. It means mademoiselle. Mademoiselle. Okay, we use MLLE when someone is unmarried, and for married man we use, for Mr. it is M only, Monsieur. Okay, got it? So, la mère de Manuel, Madame Véronique Lavigne est médecin. Médecin is doctor. Okay, so the mother of Manuel, Mrs. Véronique Lavigne, is a doctor. Sa journée, her day. Commence means to start. It is a verb to commencer. Okay, so to start. Sa journée commence à 6 heures du matin, at 6 o'clock. Okay, 6 a.m. Du matin, it is written mata, which means morning. Okay, so her day starts at 6 a.m. Elle se lève. Se lever means to get up. To get up. So she gets up, then she washes. Se lave means washes. She takes bath. Elle s'habille. S'habille means to get dressed. To get dressed. So after waking up, she takes bath and then she gets dressed. Okay. D'abord means breakfast. So now first what she does, elle prépare le petit déjeuner. Le petit déjeuner is your breakfast. Okay. So she prepares the breakfast pour les enfants. Enfants means children. So she prepares the breakfast for the children. So now what does she prepare? Tartine. Tartine is toast. Okay. Confiture is jam. Jus de fruit is fruit juice. Okay. So she prepares tartine, which is toast, confiture, which is jam, and then jus de fruit. Then cereal. Cereal is cereals. Lait is milk. Lait is milk. Okay. So she prepares the breakfast for the children. Toast, jam, fruit juice, cereals and milk. Okay. Now what is M stands for? Mr. So Mr. and Mrs. Lavigne prennent tartine et du café. So now for breakfast they took the toast and some coffee. Okay. Cafe is coffee. L'école des enfants est près de la maison. So the school of the children is near the house. Près de is near. So it is near the house. Maison is house. So the school of the children is near the house. Ils vont à pied. So they go by walk. Okay? Because it is near to the house. Okay. Now, l'hôpital de Madame Lavigne est assez loin. Okay? Loin is far. So the hospital of Mrs. Lavigne is quite far. So if it is far, she takes her car. Elle prend sa voiture. Voiture is car. Okay. À midi. À midi means at noon. Now, at noon, les enfants déjeunent à la cantine de l'école. So the children déjeune is lunch. Okay. Small lunch is your breakfast. Le petit déjeuner is breakfast and déjeuner is lunch. So the lunch they take it from the canteen of the school. Okay. À la cantine de l'école. Got it? Il rentre à la maison avant Mrs. Lavigne. So they come back to the house before Mrs. Lavigne. Okay. So they return to the house before Madame Lavigne. Ensuite is later. Now later, ils font leur devoir. Devoir is homework. Okay. So they, who are they here? The children. Okay. So ils font leur devoir. Okay. So they do their homework and they play. Jouer is to play. Okay. Ils jouent un peu. Okay. So they play a little. So they play a little. Got it? Now Monsieur et Madame Lavigne rentre vers 19h. So if you have this 24-hour clock, so what is 19 here? It is 7 o'clock. Okay, 7 p.m. So they return home somewhere around 7 p.m. Where is around? Okay, around. So Monsieur et Madame Lavigne come back around 7 p.m. Okay. Madame Lavigne a beaucoup de travail. Now Mrs. Lavigne has a lot of work to do. Okay. Travail is to work. Elle prépare le dîner. She prepares the dinner and fait le ménage and does the cleaning. Fait le ménage is to do the household work, household chores. Okay. Son mari, her husband. Mari is husband. So what does the husband do? He washes the utensils. Vaisselle. Son mari fait la vaisselle. Her husband does the dishes. Okay. après la dîner. Now, after the dinner, la famille regarde la télé. So, what do? After the dinner, they watch TV. Okay. La famille is the family watches the TV. Elle se couche à 21 heures. So they, elle se couche, elle here is Madame Lavigne. She sleeps or she go to the bed at 21 is 9 p.m. So she go or she sleeps at 9 p.m. So this is the day of Madame Lavigne. Okay. Okay, so let's do the exercise. The vrai ou faux. True or false. So first one is Madame Veronique se lève à 6 heures. So Mrs. Veronique gets up at 6 heures. We say vrai. Les enfants déjeunent à la maison. Now it is written déjeune, that is lunch. So in the text it was written they eat lunch à la cantine de l'école. Okay, not at house. So les enfants déjeunent à la maison, c'est faux. Third is la famille se couche à 9 heures du soir. So the family they sleep at 9 heures du soir means evening. Okay, but in the text it was written she sleeps, okay, at 9 p.m. So this is faux. Okay, les enfants mangent du poulet au petit déjeuner. Poulet is chicken. Poulet is chicken. So the children eat chicken for the breakfast. So faux. This one is also faux. Okay. They had tartine, confiture, jus de fruits, céréales et lait. Okay, now question second is trouver la contraire du texte. Trouver is to find, contraire is the opposite. So you have to find the opposite from the text. So first one is a fini. Fini means to finish. Okay, it means finish. So what is the opposite of finish? To start. Okay, so in the text, if you remember the line, sa journée commence à 6 heures du matin. Okay, so commence is to start. So commence. Okay, fini, commence. Second is minuit. Minuit is midnight. It is midnight. So what is the opposite? If you remember, midi. So it is midi, afternoon or noon. Okay, minuit et midi. Okay, next third is luada. Luada means far from. Okay, so when something is far, so the opposite is near, which is pray the. Luada, pray the, near. Sakush. Sakush means to go to bed, to sleep. So what is the opposite of sakush? It is sa lev, to wake up, to get up. Okay, sleep and then get up. Sakush, sa lev. Okay, so fini, commence, minuit, midi, luada, reda, sakush, sa lev. Okay, so that's it for today, and we'll continue with the same chapter in the next video. Till then, bonjour, au revoir.